Hi everyone, this is Kivo Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang Jilman compilation. So I won't take any longer, let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out what Jilman has to offer. Go! Anong meron? Ay, hello! Baka kay Jillian ang lahat yan. Charez! Ay, ano to? Bago ba to? My God, mayaman na talaga to si Eman. For sure. Yung endorsement, tsaka bench pa. Hello! Bench! Mami!
Bakusa Pacquiao from Davao City will collide versus Region Arquita. Pacquiao from Misamis Occidental. Pacquiao in the weight scale and his official weight is. This is for the 135 lightweight. 134. 134 official weight. Eman, Bakusa Pacquiao, 134 pounds. Okay. Pasok na pasok. He is the opponent. Arquita, Region and Destroyer. Okay, this is our main event for tomorrow's boxing.
Iba talaga si Eman. Oh, ang tahimik niya lately, no? Bakit kaya, no? Super tahimik niya talaga. Last posted July 15.
Usap-usapan ngayon ang pagkapanalo
Ay,
ni Eman sa boxing at sa love life.
Dahil kay Jillian.
For real ba ito?
Gabi
Ang
naman
hype
sa
lang
love
na
life.
panalo ni Eman. Abangan natin. By the way, congrats Eman.
Congrats,
More wins to
Eman. Alam mo
come
yan.
together with Jillian.
Kaso nga lang natalo. Pero okay lang yun. Bawi. Di ba? Bawi next laban.
How a simple comment online can just blow up. That's exactly what happened to Eman Bacosa, son of
Okay.
boxing legend Manny Pacquiao. It all started when he left a sweet comment on a TikTok by Mika Lim of the P-pop group
okay.
BINI. He wrote, "Hello idol, you're amazing. God bless. Pretty
Talaga
innocent,
ba?
right?" Well, the internet did its thing, and suddenly, people were reading way too much into it. But Eman didn't let the rumors fly. He quickly went on social media to clear the air, saying his admiration was purely as a fan and that there was no
Mika.
romantic angle.
Kay
He's
Mika
been
Sala,
listening
kay
to
Mika
BINI
Salamak,
for a
kay
while and was just
Bini
showing
Mika
some
ata
support.
yan, oo.
It's a great reminder that in this digital age, things can get twisted fast. Kudos to Eman for handling it with class. He's staying focused on his own path, juggling his boxing career, where he's still undefeated, and navigating life in the public eye. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories like this. Thanks for watching.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, coming up next, it's going to be the main event of Pumong Bolano 24. Philippines versus South Africa.
Ay, si Ewan.
You look like your mom. Do you have more of this? Yeah. How much is this? SM. Yes, that's alright. You go to SM, maybe they give you discount because of same name.
Locked in na sa kanyang training si Sparkle Star Eman Baco sa
Ay,
Pacquiao para
okay,
sa kanyang
go.
nalalapit na boxing match.
So, kaso nga lang, tapos
Makakalaban
na.
ni Eman sa
Saan
tagbilaran
dalahin?
Bohol ang isang Indonesian boxer. First time niyang sasabak sa 8 rounds of professional boxing, kaya naman, todo na ang kanyang training. Magbabalik si Eman sa kanyang showbiz commitments matapos ang upcoming match.
Nakafocus po ako sa fight, ganun. Tsaka pinagpe-pray ko po na maging maayos naman po yung laban. Pagtapos po ng fight ko, babalik po ako sa showbiz ulit. Abangan niyo po.
Ay, yes. Babalik na nga siya sa showbiz. Abangan ang pagbabalik ni Eman. Naku, piling ko ang comeback niya sa concert ni Jillian.
Sasagot ka.
Piling ko lang. Hello? Saan niyo siya dalahan?
Crush mong artistang Pinay?
Jillian Ward.
Jillian Ward.
Ikaw lang ang pipiliin o wala nang iba. Ikaw ang panalangin na makasama hanggang sa pagtanda.
Can you come pick up your clothes? I haven't voted. Meet me at the door while it's still open. I know it's
Pinagkakaguluhan talaga siya. At anyways, that is all for today's video. This is Kimo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!